Hi, happy Monday, everybody. Hope you had a nice weekend and got to catch up on your assignments. Not all of you have, so use your time wisely today. We're going to see you tomorrow. Um, I'm going to put a link in the announcements as I did last week for the video meeting. And I'm being photobombed here by the dog who's been carried by my son. Say hello.
Hello.
Okay, yes, thank you for assisting in this video. So, tomorrow I will talk to you guys then. Just a quick reminder, most of you will notice that I've been very good very timely on responding to emails specifically, and I have left my phone number. That's for sort of emergency texts, and please do use that, not after 6 o'clock, 7 in the evening, or before 6, 7 in the morning. And only in an emergency. You have the Snapchat accounts. Um, Most of you should have that by now, so you can talk to each other. Should be very much a last resort. All right? Say bye. Bye.